everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope having a great day. I have a unboxing and see how small this was. I don't think this is my Disney haul. So we'll see what it got. Let's go ahead and unbox this and figure it out. And when I reach 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a Loungefly Disney mini backpack giveaway. So make sure that you like all the videos that you enjoy. Ring the bell to be notified every time I upload video. And that's quite a bit, so make sure you subscribe and share and comment. It's always appreciated. Alright, so I'm in. Okay, let's see what I got here. Paper. This is my Telus iPhone Pro Max in gold. It comes with a SIM card as well. So I'll need to activate it through Rogers, and then after you do that, then you put the SIM card in, and in about an hour or so, it transfers your number to your new device, basically. So it's pretty easy. So this is the gold color, which is really pretty. And Ted has his Pro Max. He got his in black. So pretty cool. And we're just waiting on our cases to come. So we just got some clear cases through eBay. And I may get an Autobox case maybe later. I may get the 50th anniversary Disney Autobox, but it only comes in 12 Pro Max, and I'm trying to find out if that will also fit the 13. So I'm just waiting to get the answer on that one. Alright, let's see if I can open this up here. And I'm still rocking my Dooney Disney Small World bag. And I'll be doing a Disney haul later on, hopefully this week. And hopefully my Haunted Mansion satchel will be on its way. So we'll see. But I did find a very cool Haunted Mansion buy and sell on Facebook. So I was able to save a couple $100 on my Haunted Mansion satchel. Because on eBay they're like 3 times the price. It's really ridiculous. And the placement isn't the best. So I figured, well, I would save some money. And the placement isn't that bad. It has the bride on both ends. So I don't know why this is not opening. Alright, that's why, because I didn't have the other thing taken off. Alright, here we go. So this is a beauty. Look at that color. It's like a champagne-y color. Alright, and in here basically has the little clip that little pin. I always call it a clip, but it's a little pin that you take out your SIM card with. And they don't give you a charger head, like a little block. They only give you the cable. So, I mean, for the amount of money that you're paying for these phones, you would think they would give you like the whole thing, but they're eliminating that for some reason. All right, and this is the front. Kind of get an idea. Really pretty. All right, so I have to activate it, so I'll be doing that next. Pretty simple to do. I did TEDS and it took about less than 2 hours to complete. So once I do that, then my new number will be on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and then I can call Rogers and then cancel my account through them. All right, so that is my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and thanks for watching.